First, you need to make sure your product meets the FDA definition for a medical device in Section 201H of the Federal Food, Drug, and Cosmetic Act. There's a link provided with this information for the definition for a medical device. If it is a medical device, it will be regulated by the FDA, and it will be subject to pre-marketing and post-marketing regulatory controls. You will notice that the third bullet here provides a clear distinction between medical devices and other FDA-regulated products, such as drugs. If the primary intended use of the product is achieved through chemical action or by being metabolized by the body, the product is usually a drug overseen by the Center for Drug Evaluation and Research, or CDER. The European Medical Device Directive's definition for medical devices is similar to FDA. However, there are some differences. Be sure to compare your device to the FDA definition for this purpose. Once you have determined that your product is a medical device, you will need to determine what the FDA classification is. The classification is the level of regulatory control that FDA has determined is necessary to assure safety and effectiveness of the medical device. You will determine the FDA classification, which is one of three classes, 1, 2, or 3. The classification database on FDA's website is a very useful tool. It contains products that FDA considers to be devices and their associated product codes. You can search specifically by a device name or type if you know that, or you can do the simple search option at the database. When the search results come up, you can sort the information by the product codes, by the actual devices, by the class of the devices, or by the regulation number.